Hi, welcome to another video. So, here we are in the demo. We have our search words starting in cell A1. We have our grid in cell B1, and we have a big go button. We need to have the words new game in cell B36. We specify the size of the n by n grid in cell A35. Let's see it in operation, shall we? The new version of this script now adds the answers to the answers worksheet. Go to the GitHub repo as detailed in the video's description to get the full code. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And remember, I love you all.